What's going on, guys? It's Sneakerhead616 back here with another video, and today we have some Travis Fragment lows. You guys can see a lot of wear and tear on the pair. Tongue is brown, lace is really dirty, shoes are dirty all around. You have some scuffed paint on the shoes. You guys can see there. When you come closer, you guys can see that it's a dirty shoe. It's a really dirty shoe. They definitely got their wears in the outsole. It's like super brown. I know it's supposed to be off-white, but it's like brown now. Same thing on the other pair. So we're just gonna go ahead and try to make you look as brand new as possible. So let's get right into it. All right, guys. For the cleaning, I'm going to be using some Rejuvenator. I'm gonna drop a discount link in the comments, and I'm also going to be using a little bit of Dawn dish detergent. You guys can see here. And this is my cleaning bowl that I'm going to be using. So I'm just going to start off with my medium textured brush. And I'm just going to make my way around the entire shoe. Now after I'm done cleaning the uppers, I just take my microfiber cloth and just go ahead and use that and just wipe away all the soap and just wipe everything dry. Alright, so now I'm going to move on to the outsole. I'm going to be using my brass bristle brush with the same solution. Alright guys, so after the cleaning, you guys can see there's still some stains left on the outsole that the cleaning didn't get out, obviously. So we're going to take a cotton round and some acetone. And basically what you're just going to do is you're going to rub against the outsole, just like so. And as you guys can see, it starts to clear up and then the dirt comes off here. So I'm just going to do this around the entire outsole. And then when I address some little more things, then you'll pretty much be done. Alright guys, at this point, I'm looking to remove the creases from the toe box. I don't expect them all to fully come out, but we're going to try to get most of it out. So I have these plastic bags I'm going to stuff the toe box with, just like so. Make sure it's completely stuffed. I have a damp towel. I'm going to go ahead, stretch it over the toe box. I'm going to grab it from underneath. Make sure I'm pulling as tight as I can. Make sure it's really on there, as tight as I can. I'm going to grab my iron and just go ahead and start pressing really hard and fast. Don't want to stay in one spot for too long. And then I'm going to take a quick look at it. And you can see it does help with the creases. Alright guys, I want to lighten up this tongue as best as I can. It's not going to come fully back, I know that, but I have a solution with some bleach, some water, and some dish soap. It's a little bit of bleach. And we're just going to use our toothbrush and just going to go ahead and scrub the tongue with that. And then I'm not even going to clean it off. I'm just going to let it dry under my UV light. Okay, so I'm letting them sit under my UV light. I'm going to have it under for a couple of hours. Then I'm going to come back and check on them. Alright guys, so for the paint touch-ups, I'm using some military blue. And what I'm doing is I'm just using a Q-tip, right? Using a Q-tip, I'm rubbing it on like a small area like so, and using the other end of the Q-tip to just go ahead and spread it and blend it. So as you guys can see here, blend it up pretty nicely, and it's still wet, so it hasn't even dried yet. So I'm just going to continue moving on, and that's pretty much the last thing. Alright guys, at this point the shoes are completely finished. They came out super nice. If you guys remember when we started, there was paint scratches everywhere. The shoes were super dirty, and now you guys can see they're nice and clean again. Bottom's clean. Remember, the outsoles were like super dirty, and we brought them back. So if you guys want this treatment done to your own pair, DM my IG Restorations. If you guys have any questions or concerns, drop a comment or DM me. I'm always happy to help. If you guys enjoyed the video, like and subscribe, and I will see you guys in the next one.